Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RAS Cloud Technologies. Thank you all for joining session today. So first of all, I welcome you all to today's Generative AI Batch 2 session number 1. Before starting the session, I just want to show you our social media handles and about our training institute. Then I'll hand over session to our trainer Razia Garu. From there, we'll start the technical session as well. We have official YouTube channel. So RAS Informatica real-time hands-on job-based training. So this is our official YouTube channel. So we have 36,100 subscribers and we have already uploaded more than 490 plus videos here. If you just go to the video section and if you can see here, we have uploaded many videos related to Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Microsoft Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, AWS Data Engineering, Snowflake, cybersecurity, and many useful videos are available in our YouTube channel. Just visit our channel once. If you like our content, like the videos, comment on them, and subscribe to channel for more videos. If you want to get latest updates regarding the generative AI, any new topic is uploaded in the YouTube, to get the updates, just subscribe to our channel. I have shared the channel link over Zoom chat. So using this link, you can subscribe to our channel and get all the updates. And we have Instagram page as well. We have official Instagram page as well. This is our Instagram page, RAS Informatica. So we have 3,000 plus followers here. So in our Instagram, we will be posting here about the job openings, whatever the job openings are available. So whatever the referrals are available from our end. So all these job updates will be posted here over stories, and you can see highlight also here job openings. Okay, so in these highlights, we are going to add all the things here. So keep follow our RAS Informatica Instagram page so that you'll get all the latest job updates. All the latest job updates will be posted here over Instagram. So I have shared you the Instagram account link as well. Using this link, you can follow to our channel and you can get all the updates from here. And we have a website as well. This is our website, rasinformatica.com. So earlier the name was RAS Informatica and now it is changed to RAS Cloud Technologies. You can see here at the left top corner, RAS Informatica is now RAS Cloud Technologies. And this is our home page. If you just scroll down a bit, you can see here software trainings that we are offering right now. So we are offering generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning, Cyber Security with Ethical Hacking, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Program, GCP Professional Certification Training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO Training, Python for Data Science, Python for Full Stack, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. These are the courses that we are offering right now in RAS Cloud Technologies. Just above this section, you can find out a upcoming free live session section. Okay. In this section, we are going to post whatever the free sessions that we are delivering from RAS Cloud Technologies. All these free sessions links will be available here. You can see here today's generative AI session, 7th October at 8 p.m. And tomorrow we have Azure Data Engineering. And on Friday, we are having Microsoft Power BI. And on Saturday, we are having a Snowflake plus DBT and ADF program. Okay, to just get these meeting links, you can click on join now button. Okay, so you can just submit your details here, your name, mobile number and mail ID. Okay, so after submitting your email, you'll get the Zoom details to your mail ID. Okay, yes. Apart from the courses, you can see many other useful stuff also available here, interview questions, materials, and we offer internship programs for freshers. Okay, so all other stuff also available in our website. So just follow our website for more updates. Whenever we start any new course, everything you can see here in our homepage. And to know more about generative AI program, you can just go to the courses page here. Just go to the courses section, click on generative AI training, Here in this page, you are going to get the complete information about the generative AI course. You can see the new batch starting date and what are the technologies that we are going to cover here. What are the course unique features, and the job opportunities, job roles, okay, upcoming in-demanded jobs, and about the course price, group discounts, and the session timings. Okay, we have two batches, morning and evening. Morning like 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. IST, and evening 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So we have two batches going on. Okay, so you can enroll to either morning or evening batches. And about your instructor, everything you can see about here, about generative AI program, you can see the complete information here in this page. Before starting the session, I'll add you all you people to our generative AI real-time WhatsApp project group. Sorry, project WhatsApp group. I'll share you the project WhatsApp group link with you. So just drop your name. Just drop your name and WhatsApp number. Drop your name and WhatsApp number, so that we will share you the WhatsApp group link and today's session recording also. Today is our first session. We have already done with introduction class. Okay. So to get the introduction class link and to get today's session link, you can just drop your name and WhatsApp number here, so that you can get the link. So I'm just going to show you the timer, 2 minutes. So let's take a 2 minutes short break and post your name and WhatsApp number here, so that you can get the WhatsApp group link and today's session recording as well. Both you can get it. If you are from a different country, please drop your WhatsApp number with country code. Please drop your WhatsApp number with country code, so that it will help us to add you to the WhatsApp group directly. I can see still people are posting. Yeah, still the chat box is open for everyone. So you can keep posting your name and WhatsApp number here. Okay, you can keep posting your name and WhatsApp number here. There is some special offer available today, so just stay connected till end of the session, so that like you can know about the special offer. And so there is some important updates regarding the job, and there is some job portal is also available from our end. Okay, so we are going to show you all these things at the end of the session. Just stay connected till end of the session. If you have any doubts, you can keep posting your doubts in chat. You can keep posting your doubts in chat, and you'll get unmute option as well. So once the instructor explanation is done, you can get the unmute access also. So just stay connected till end of the session, so that you'll get the complete details of the program. Razia garu, over to you, please.
So good evening, everyone. So this side Razia. Actually, I'm working as a Gemini architect and the corporate trainer with 10 plus years of experience. So currently I'm working with different domains in my projects like healthcare, finance, transport. Okay. So, and also like as a Genai corporate trainer, I'm training many of the students and even working professionals where they can become like in different roles, like whether it is a Genai developer, whether it is a ML engineer, whether it is like any data analyst. Okay, if you want to start your career as a data analyst, you can also start up with this particular course curriculum. You can also become the NLP engineer, okay, and so on. So these are the opportunities which you can explore once you had completed this course curriculum. Okay, so this is all about the intro about me. So today we are going to discuss about the generative AI, the introduction session, what exactly the Gen AI is about, why it is exactly in demand. Okay, what are the roles and what are the opportunities we can do over here, and what are the like concepts we are going to learn in this particular curriculum. Okay, we are going to see the overview about it. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So let me make you understand first what exactly the generative AI is about. So many of you are aware of what exactly the generative AI is. So the generative AI is nothing but which is used to generate the content. Okay. So what is it? It is nothing but it is used to generate the content. What kind of the content it is going to generate? Whether it is related to text, whether it is image, whether it is audio or even video. Okay. This is the content which the generative AI is going to generate. How exactly it was going to generate the content? How exactly it was going to generate the content? Anyone? So as we had seen, Gen AI is nothing but which is used to generate the content. Okay, different formats of the content. So can anyone tell me how exactly we are going to generate this type of the content? Anyone in the chat box? So with the help of what we are going to generate this content? Anyone in the chat box? Anyone in the chat box? So with the help of AI tools, okay, okay, tools AI, okay. Any more answers I can expect? So generative AI is nothing but which is used to generate the content like text, images, audios, and videos. Okay. So to generate all these kind of the content, we require the Gen AI tools. Okay. Can anyone tell me what are the generative AI tools which we are Gen AI models which we are using in the current market? Anyone in the chat box? Anyone in the chat box? What we are using? We are using like exactly. We are using the ChatGPT. Very good, guys. We are using the ChatGPT. We are using the cloud. We are using the Titan. We are using Gemini. We are using Copilot. Very good, very good. We are using Copilot. We are using Grok. We are using DeepSeek. We are using Llama, Meta AI model. Okay. We are using Perplexity. Yes, which is in highly in demand. Okay. Which is Perplexity. Yes, Cloud AI. Very good, very good. Gemma, very good. Okay. These are the, yes, Azure, OpenAI, Power, like Google Gemini, and we'll be having Cloud AI. So all these are Sora, exactly. Sora, Midjourney, DALI. Okay. All these are the, etc. All these are the some of the Gen AI models. With the help of these models, what we can do, whatever the content we want to generate, we can take the help of this generative AI tools and we can do. Okay, right? So how you are going to get this content, this information in this particular models, in this Gen AI models? What exactly, on which particular thing it was trained on? Anyone? On which particular thing it was trained on? So all these Gen AI models was trained on dash. Anyone, guys? Anyone? What we require to generate like these kind of the LLM models? Exactly. What is LLM model? LLM. It is nothing but large language model. Large language model. What exactly this large is about? Large is nothing but which consists of huge amount of data information. What is large? Large is nothing but which was trained on huge amount of the data. Is it? Huge amount of the data. And language is nothing but the human understandable, human terminology. Let's give us human terminology. Model is nothing but anything, okay? Any of the transform models based on our use case, it depends, guys, okay? We can use any, for example, if you are working to generate the image, we can use the CNN, we can use the GANs, okay? We can use the VAEs, okay? If we are going to work with the text related, the sequential data, we can use the RNN, we can use the LSTM, okay? We can use auto encoders, like this kind of the stuff, okay? By using these particular thing, we can use the transformers, okay? By using like these kind of the models, what we can do, we can build the applications, different applications, whether it is a sentiment analysis, whether it is a summarizer. Yes, exactly. So the Hugging Face, TensorFlow, Keras, okay? So let me make you understand about the libraries too, okay? So what are the models we are using here? The CNN, which is a model of deep learning. The GANs, it is also a deep learning and it is also a Gemini model. Okay, RNN, LSTM, auto encoders, and transformers is nothing but the modern form of natural language processing. This is what exactly LLM. So as I had told you, large is nothing but which was trained on the huge amount of the data. Without the data, we are not going to generate the content. Now, what exactly the data is about? Anyone? What exactly the data is about? What is data? What is data? Anyone, guys? What is data? What is data? It is nothing but very good. It is nothing but the raw facts or the information of facts. What is it? It is nothing but the information of facts. It can be anything, guys. It can be anything. Okay. So while you are getting any business problem, guys, okay, information, very good. Data is a raw information, facts, numbers, text, images, anything. It can be anything. Information, raw facts and figures. Yes, exactly. It is structured data. We can also work with unstructured data also. Okay. So like images, audios, videos, all these kind of the stuff. So data is nothing but it is a information of facts. So here we will be having the structured data. Okay. We'll be having unstructured data. Okay. What is the structured data is about? It consists of rows and columns, which is labeled. What is it? Which is labeled data, which consists of rows and columns. Okay. Labeled data in the sense which consists of one structure, that is rows and columns, like tabular format, rows and columns. What is this unstructured data is about? Unstructured is nothing but unlabeled data. What is it? It is a unlabeled data, not labeled. Unlabeled data in the sense which consists of images, okay, which consists of images, audios, and videos, okay, like this kind of the content. Okay, so this is what exactly the structured and unstructured data is about. So we can also take the data from different sources, whether it is a primary source or whether it is a secondary source, the third party sources. Okay, primary in the sense within ourselves or within our organization or whatever it may be. So the data can be collected from different sources, that is primary sources. And one more thing, that is secondary sources. What is this secondary sources is about? It is nothing but from the third party, like a government data sets or any like a Kaggle, UCM machine learning within ourselves, within our organization. Okay, that is called as a primary sources. Okay, so the secondary source is nothing but where we can collect the data from third party links. Okay, third party links or websites or whatever it may be. Okay, websites or applications or whatever it may be. Like Kaggle, we'll be having UCM machine learning. Okay, we'll be having Scikit-learn. We'll be having Hugging Face. Okay, etc. From this particular stuff, what we can do, we can take the data sets. Okay, from the pre-trained models, we can whatever we required, we can also work about according to it. Okay, this is what exactly the primary source and secondary sources is about. So whenever you got any project, okay, any project related to whether it is related to building the ChatGPT like models, whether it is building the chatbots, okay, whether it is building any virtual assistants, the customer support, anything, okay, performing the sentiment analysis, the product review, okay. So whether the review is positive, negative, neutral, or whether it is a recommendation engine, anything, any project. First, what we require the data. Without the data, we cannot do anything. So whatever the a project we had got, first of all, we need to check with the different types of analysis. Okay, without analysis, we cannot generate the content, guys. Okay, from the analysis only it will start. So from the analysis step only, we can start what exactly it was working, how exactly we need to work on all those things. Okay. So let me just give me a 1 minute of break, guys. So till that, let me know from you, what are the different types of data analysis? What are the different types of the data analysis which required to solve the business problem? Okay. Can anyone give me the output for it? So types of data analysis. Okay, just give me the output for it. What are the types of data analysis required to solve any business problem? So first, whenever we had got the project, what are the things we need to check with? What are the things we need to check with? Anyone in the chat box? What are the things we need to check in the chat? So the types of data analysis, what we can check is, let me know. Can you explain again? I couldn't. Yeah, I'm asking exactly because that's what I'm asking for. That's what I'm asking for. So the types of data analysis, whenever we had assigned with any of the project, first of all, we need to analyze the data. So how we can analyze the data? With respect to, with respect to, with respect to descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics. Very good, very good. Someone on track. Okay, descriptive analytics. The second thing is diagnostic analytics. The third one will be predictive analytics. And one more thing, that is prescriptive analytics. What is it? Prescriptive analytics. Okay, we need to go with these particular steps. So whenever we got the data from the client, or whenever we got the project from the client, so we need to understand what happened in the past. What happened in the past? Okay, we need to check. Okay, what happened in the past? Why it was happened? Why it was happened? Okay, what is the problem? Okay, we faced with it. So why it was happened? And we'll check what will happen, what will happen, what to do now. Okay, what to do now. What to do now. These are the steps which we need to go with. Okay, so whenever you will be having any of the business problem, guys, okay, first of all, you need to go with the data. So the data is nothing but it is the information of facts. So we need to go with different parts of the analysis, that is what happened in the past, why did it happen, what will happen, what to do now. Okay, these are the steps which we need to follow. Okay, so these are the steps. Data we can represent in charts, diagram, historical, in advance. Exactly. Okay, that is what exactly the role of data analyst. Okay, so to reach to the generative AI, so we'll start from the process, that is analysis. We will go with the process from data analysis. So that's what the complete identification of the definition of generative AI is nothing but. So it is used to generate the content like text, images, audios, and videos with the help of patterns or insights from the data. Okay, we'll take the insights or patterns from the data set. So with the help of generative AI models. The Gemini models or Gemini algorithms, okay, whether it is a GANs, whether it is a RNN, whether it is LSTM, whether it is transformers, anything, okay. With the help of these particular models, what we can do, we can generate the content. That's exactly what the generative AI is about. Okay. So now let's move further. So let me make you understand how the life cycle of the project will be. Okay. So what are the steps we need to follow? The step-by-step process. Okay. First of all, we need to perform exploratory data analysis. What is it? Exploratory data analysis, which is very much important step, guys. Okay. To reach to the exploratory data analysis, which is the role and responsibility of the data analyst, first of all, we need to pass through this life cycle. So let me cover all this: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive, everything. Okay. So life cycle of any project. Okay. Life cycle of any project, whatever we are dealing with, the Gemini project, life cycle of the project. Okay. The first step will be the data collection. What is it? The data collection. Because without the data collection, we cannot do anything. So whenever the client has given the project, so the first basic thing we need to go with is what happened in the past. That can be done in the business understanding. What is it? Business understanding step. What is it? Business understanding. What kind of the problem they are facing with. Okay, first of all, we need to understand the business problem, whether it is a domain or whether it is what kind of the problem they are facing. So what kind of the inputs we can get from the client, everything should be taken in the business understanding itself, like client meeting. Okay, there we need to understand what exactly happened in their business, why these particular things has happened, what are the like drawbacks you had done over here. So we need to get some particular information from the client. So once that particular information has been, once the inputs has been taken from the client, we need to go with the data collection. We need to collect the data from the client, whether it is a CSV format, whether it is an Excel format, whether it is a SQL from the database, whether it is any cloud versions, AWS, Azure, or any GCP, anything. Okay. So we'll be having the data in any format. So first of all, we need to collect that data. So after the collection of data, what we need to do? We need to go to the preparation. What is our next step? The data preparation. What is it? The data preparation. What we are going to do over here in the data preparation, we are going to scrap the data necessary for our particular business project. Okay, whatever the project we are dealing with. So we need to take that particular data only. Instead of taking all the data, whatever required to solve this particular business problem, we need to take that. So once it was done, we need to go with the cleaning step, which is very much important, guys. Okay, while we are predicting the model, so we will face with some like noisy data. That's the reason why we need to make to get the proper output and to get the proper accuracy, we require to like clean the data. Okay, so in data cleaning, what we are going to do? We are going to remove the null values. We are going to remove the duplicates. We are going to remove the wrong format and making it the proper format based on our requirement. And we are going to take the wrong data. Okay. So these are the things which we are going to solve in the data cleaning. Once it was done, now we are ready to visualize our data. That is nothing but we are going to find the insights from the business problem. What are the requirements of the client? Okay, so based on that. So that is called as a exploratory data analysis. What is it? Exploratory data analysis. So in this step, what we will do, we will visualize the data. What we will do here? We will visualize the data. That is nothing but we'll find the insights, we'll find the patterns, okay, from the data. Okay, and once it was done, we will go with the feature engineering. Whatever the business problem, whatever the solution, whatever the insights we had found in the business, whatever the patterns we had found in the business problem, so whether it was giving the proper output or not, whether we are, whatever the decision we are going to take, now it was going to give the profits or loss or what kind of the information it was giving. We need to predict that. Okay. So in feature engineering, what we will do, okay, to reach to the like a predictive modeling. Okay. So the descriptive, we had understand what exactly happened in the past from the data itself. So why it was happened, we had done with the insights. Now we are going to predict the model. That is nothing but with the help of the machine learning, we are going to identify the feature values. Okay. So that we are going to do. So to do that, so to choose any one algorithm, we require the feature engineering. Okay. So here what we will do, we will identify which algorithm to use based on the data, based on the data columns. Okay. The attributes of the column. So this is our next step. So we are going to reach to the predictive analysis. What is it? Predictive analysis. Here what we are going to do, we are going to split our data into two parts. We are going to train our model. We are going to test our model. We are going to evaluate the model performance. And then finally, we are going to predict the model. And finally, we are going to predict the future values. Okay. So this is what exactly the role of ML engineering. What is it? The role of machine learning engineering is nothing but identifying which algorithm to use based on the data attributes, and then predicting the model. So here also we'll be having the life cycle. That is nothing but splitting the data into two parts, that is input and output. So training our model, testing our model, evaluating the performance, model performance, and finally predicting the future values. This is how exactly we will do. Okay. So, and then we will go with the deployment. What we will do? We'll go with the deployment based on the use case. Based on the use case, it will depend. Okay. For example, so if we are working with some e-commerce application where we want to recommend the products, then Then we will get one more phase, that is NLP engineer phase. Okay, what the NLP engineer will do? So here, so he will take that particular data and he will build the recommendation engine, guys. What he will do? He will build the recommendation engine. Okay, with the help of some like NLP techniques and all those kind of the stuff. He will build the recommendation engine. He will build the machine translating one language to another language. And here also, in our meeting itself, this meeting is being transcribed. Okay, whatever the speech I am whatever the content I am speaking, that will be converted to the text, right? So that is nothing but speech to text recognition. Okay, so here whatever I am speaking, it was converting into the text. How it was happening? Based on the natural language processing, based on the NLP. Okay, so with the help of even the translation, even text to speech, speech to text, or whether it is a speech recognition, or whether it is a virtual assistant, or whether it is a sentiment analysis, whether it is any summarizer, building the summarizer application, anything, guys. Okay, the text generation, anything to do all these kind of the stuff, the NLP engineering will plays a major role. Okay, so to do all these kind of the stuff, NLP related things, we require the transformer, which is a generative AI model. What is it? Which is a Gen AI model. The transformer is nothing but the modern form of natural language processing. Okay, so because every day the machine learning is like playing a crucial role in each and every human life. Okay, so whether it is to reduce our task, or to get any of the quick responses, or anything, whatever it may be, okay, to make our life easier, we require the artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is what exactly we can do with the help of the generative AI models. Okay, so and now let's understand how exactly we are going to start this particular syllabus content from the very basics of the Python programming. Because whether it is a machine learning, whether it is a deep learning, whether it is a generative AI, whether it is any LLM model to generate any LLM model, whether to build any chatbots, anything, we require the Python programming. To work with the entire data related world, the data science, the world of data science, we require the Python programming, guys. Okay, what we require? We require the Python programming. Some of the students will be from non-IT background. Some of the students will don't have any like knowledge on the programming. They will have the knowledge on some ab initio, some ETL tools, some cloud, some DevOps, some AWS, like this kind of stuff. They don't have the knowledge on programming language. At that particular scenario, we will start from very scratch. That's the beauty of our course. We'll start everything from the very scratch, guys. Okay, the Python scratch. Okay, we are going to start from very basics. That is the scratch course where you're going to learn from the variables. Okay, you're going to learn variables. You're going to learn what is the comments, what are keywords. Okay, why the keywords are required, what are the rules of programming language. Okay, what kind of the rules we need to follow to write any syntax. Okay, so what is the conditional statements, what are operators, what are loopings, okay. So and we are going to understand about the functions, how to create a function, and how to reuse it, and how to create a lambda function, the shorthand. Okay, while we are working dealing with large amount of the data set, we require the lambda functions. Okay, and we require the file handling, how to handle the different files, all the basic things. We are going to see all the basic things, file handling, exception handling. Okay, all these kind of the stuff. Once we are done with the very basics concepts, then we are going to move with the libraries, guys. Okay, which are very important. Okay, so which are very much important. Okay, these are the Python scratch, and we are going to learn about the like advanced library. That is nothing but where we are going to learn about the libraries. Advanced Python, that is nothing but we are going to learn about the libraries. What are the libraries we are going to learn here? So we are going to learn about the NumPy, which is used to work with the numerical Python. What is it? So for performing all the numerical calculations, because our data consists of the numerical data, right? So that's the reason why we need to perform with the numerical data also. We need to deal with numerical data also, okay? So and we require the pandas, which is used to manipulate the data for data manipulation, okay? So and we require the matplotlib, where we can visualize the data, the visualization tool. And we will be having Seaborn also, which is also one of the interactive visualization tool. Okay, so Seaborn, and we will be having Plotly. We'll be having Plotly. This is also one of the interactive library, etc. Okay, so and also as come to the machine learning, we are going to learn about the scikit-learn, which is called as a sklearn library, where we are going to learn all the ML algorithms. Okay, over there, and Scikit. Okay, scikit-learn. And we are going to learn about the TensorFlow, which is a part of deep learning. To work with the deep learning algorithms, we require the TensorFlow, we require the Keras. Okay. To work with the natural language processing, we require the NLTK. To work with the Gen AI models, we require the transformers, we require the frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph to build the agents, we require the LangGraph, okay, we require the Creo AI to connect with the multiple agents, and we require the PyAutoGen, we require the Hugging Face, where we can take multiple data sets, Hugging Face, okay. We require the Open API keys, not only Open AI keys, we require Gemini, okay, Google API key, we require Grok API key. Okay, we are going to learn about the API keys, and also we are integrating with the LLM models. We should know how to use the LLM models. Okay, so these are the libraries, these are the tools which we are going to use. Okay, so we require the XGBoost, exactly. We require the XGBoost, which is a the boosting technique of the random forest. Okay, we require the GenSim, where we can understand the natural language processing techniques, where we require the tokenization. Okay, I had involved the NLTK, right? In itself, we will be having the tokenization. Okay, so we will be using all these kind of the steps, guys. Okay, the NLP techniques like tokenization, word to vec. Okay, and we required the GenSim, we required the SPACY library, we required the transformers library. Okay, we required sentence transformers. Okay, we required the models like BERT, GPT, Robota, T5, all these kind of the stuff. Okay, to work with the from the starting of a very scratch Python programming to till building the agents you are going to learn. Okay, let me show you some of the demos. Okay, how you can build the agents. Just I'm deploying some of the models, how you can build the chatbot. Okay, with the help of Amazon. So the cloud version, AWS Bedrock. Okay, so with the help of the service of the Bedrock, you're using the Llama 3 model, you're building the chatbot like this. Okay, so we are building the agentic AI assistance, where it will do the multiple tasks. Okay, like this, and you can chat with your documents. Okay, you can chat with your documents like this. Okay, so based on the document which you had provided, you can address to your documents, and you can build the LangChain project. Okay, you can build the LangChain project. With the help of LangChain, you can build the chatbot like ChatGPT like agent with the help of API key. Okay, so and you can also build the agent. Okay, the doctor agent, where it will accept the reports, and it will gives you whether the report, what exactly the report is telling. Okay, these are the some of the projects, the capstone projects which you are going to build, only the some of the projects. And also you are using the RAG application, where you are going to use the vector DBs. Okay, like FAISS, Pinecone, ChromaDB, TF-IDF vectorizer, count vectorizer, similarity, search similarity, all these kind of the stuff. You will be having multiple concepts over there to you're going to learn all these particular thing in the stuff of generative AI curriculum, where you're going to learn in this particular curriculum. So after learning this entire curriculum, you're going to explore the careers in the machine learning engineer. If you want to go over the machine learning engineering, you will get the deep understanding over there, and you can move to ML engineer, or else you can go to the NLP engineer, where you can build the recommendation engines, the sentiment analysis. So we will give some of the product reviews, right? So whatever the application, whether it is a movie review, or whether it is any cinema theater review, or anything, whatever it may be. Okay, whether your service is provided with a theater is good or bad. So based on that only the customer will go, right? So whether your review is bad or good, why you are getting the negative review, what kind of the suggestions we need to change, what kind of the things the customers are expecting from us. Okay, so based on that particular sentiment analysis, you are going to improve your business strategies. Okay, so you are going to reduce your negative reviews. Okay, how we can do that? Because of based on the natural language processing. Okay, this is how exactly we can understand the generative AI. Okay, and also you can go with the Gen AI developer, you can become the Gen AI engineer, you can become the Gen AI architect. The roles will be varies based on your experience, guys. Okay, if you're fresher, just go with the ML engineer, or just go with the Gen AI, building some projects like chatbots, building the RAG applications, building the chatbots, building the virtual assistants, building the speech recognition like Siri, Alexa. So you can do many projects, guys, the brilliant projects. Okay, so once you are aware of all these particular curriculum, you can also build off your own projects with your own data. Okay, so this is all about the course curriculum and the course content. If you're having any questions and doubts, let me know, guys. Okay, we'll discuss that. We'll discuss that. Yes, guys, if you are having any questions and doubts, just drop in the chat box. I'll respond to your all questions. I'll respond to all your questions. Yes, the cost of the course, everything will be discussed with the Karthik. So just hold on. Okay, if you're having any thing related to the content, let me know, or else I will hand over to the technical team. They will guide you about the course duration, everything will be discussed by the technical team itself. So if you're having any questions related to the course content, let me know. Okay, I'll guide you with it. I'll explain. Just drop in the chat box, guys, if you're having any questions. Yes, hi Anita. Thank you very much. So if you like a business development, in the sense, like if you want to start any business, if you want to include AI in it, okay, so this course will also helpful for you to automate all your tasks. Okay, without your involvement, you can also build the agents. So finding the right algorithm means like a feature engineering, in the sense, based on the features. For example, if you are having the rows and columns with continuous data, your target variable is continuous, then you need to go with the regression algorithms. Okay. So if you're like a data, the output, the target variable is something categorical data, then you need to go with the classification algorithm. So here you need to understand, in feature engineering, you need to understand what is the right algorithm, which algorithm we need to use to get the highest accuracy. Okay. This course help for job purpose. Yes, exactly. It will also helpful for job purpose also. Like I had already discussed the job roles, right? You can explore in any job based on your like technical understanding about ML, NLP, Gemini. So based on that, you can explore. You can like grow step by step also. Yeah, these are the job opportunities. Here you can see the job opportunities. So see the package also. The package, you can also see the package also.
Hi everyone, this is Karthik again. So still see the unmute access is open for everyone, okay? So if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions also.
So see, what is mainly used to generate chatbots and bot type models. So we can use many things, guys. Okay, we can use many frameworks. We can use we require the Open API keys, not only Open API key. So we'll be having different GPT models, right? So whatever the model we are using, based on that, we can also take some of the public available data sets, the pre-trained LLM models. We can also use that based on our use case. We can take any of the paid version API keys and whatever it may be. So based on that, we can generate the chatbots. Okay. So if you want to build your own model from the scratch, okay, some of the companies will afford that particular price and then will build like the billions of they will train their model on the billions of the tokens. Okay, the same process, whatever it is, the same process, collecting the data, preparing, so whatever the web links, whatever the data they will be having in the entire Wikipedia, entire internet, they'll collect the docs, the articles, the books, whatever it may be. Okay, so they will search and they will generate like these kind of the content, like step-by-step process. Life cycle, I had shown you the life cycle, right? We can also create our own LLM and we can also use the LLM with the help of the API key, and we can generate the chatbot like models. So the BERT, Robota, all these kind of the models will be used. These are the transformers models which can be used to generate applications like recommendation engine, machine translation, okay, the sentiment analysis, summarizer, etc. All these kind of the stuff we can use with respect to the BERT models, BERT type models. So BERT is nothing but bidirectional encoding representative transformer, one of the transformer model, okay, which is advanced version of NLP. Any more questions, guys? Yes, Anita.
Yeah, ma'am, I have one question. What is the difference between this generative AI, agentic AI, and the agents. So all these are covered in this course or what?
Yes, exactly. We are covering everything in this. That's what I had shown you. So agentic AI is nothing but we will be having multiple agents inside that. So based on the user query, that only that agent will respond. Agentic AI is nothing but without the human involvement, it will plan, it will execute, it will till the goal, till the once the goal has been assigned. Okay, so it will plan which action to make, the reasoning, the planning, the execution, everything will be done by the agentic AI. Okay, so there we need to use the tools like LangGraph inside the execution. So we required the LangGraph, we required recursive models, we required the Creo AI, we required the PyAutogen, all this kind of stuff. So agent is nothing but building only single agent. So based on the instruction we had provided, only that work will be done. For example, I'm having a vacuum cleaner. What's the purpose of that agent? Only cleaning the room. That's it. It will not wash the dishes. Okay. So for example, I had built one weather agent. That means it will only tell us the weather related data, not any what is AI, not what is NLP like. That means one of the task oriented is called as an agent. So from the starting, from the planning to till the execution, that is agentic AI. Generative AI is nothing but generating the content. We are developing with the help of the LLM model, the pre-trained models. We are going to build the chatbots and all those kind of.
Okay, got it. So are we going to do any project regarding this agentic AI?
Yes, exactly. We are going to do the agentic AI project also. So that's what I had shown you before. Like I had shown you some the Streamlit applications, right? The deployment parts. There itself, we will be having the agentic AI project also. So based on our query, based on the keyword which we had used over there, that agent will respond.
Okay, but in order to complete this course or to build this, do we need any subscriptions, like any tools like that?
Yes, we required the Open API key, okay, which is a subscription, Grok API key, and it is also like a subscription only, okay. So we'll be having
Okay.
some of the few credits, free credits. So once the tokens has been completed, we need to pay for that also. And we required the AWS Bedrock, the AWS account, the access to AWS Bedrock. Okay, if you are having these three things, you can do multiple projects.
Okay, but you will guide us, right? Everything.
Yes, yes, I will guide you. So how to take that, how to subscribe it, okay? So how to create OpenAPI key, how to like invoke it into the Python programming, everything will be guided.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very
Yeah,
much.
I have one question. Actually, there in this side, just I wanted to know, like as you explained, right, Gen AI and agentic AI, and what is the other like AI ops, ML ops, and
So
MCP?
see,
What is that?
MLOps is different. So MLOps in the sense here we are going to like give the complete introduction about the MLOps. MLOps is nothing but it is a combination of machine learning and the DevOps, where you are using the CI/CD, the Jenkins, the Kubernetes, Kubeflow, MLflow, all these kind of the stuff to deploy. So here, what you're doing in machine learning, you're predicting the model. Okay, whatever the new data you are adding, you're testing in the Streamlit by using the deployment of the Streamlit application. So if you want to store that in the clouds versions, you require the MLOps. Okay, ML operations where you can maintain, where you can monitor, where you can check the performance of your model whenever the new data has been added.
So you are covering those as well in this course, or means like how it is?
So see, so that's what I'm telling. We are going to give the understanding. So if you see here, the 16th module, LLM ops, okay? Here we are going to explain you what exactly LLM ops, ML ops is about, okay? Machine learning like operations and how the LLM ops will be working on, the large language model operations, okay? So the deployment cannot be shown because we require the cloud related content also. That is one separate course. The AWS, the DevOps, all these things are separate course. We are going to make you understand. So if you want to go completely at the deployment side, then you can go with the LLM ops. Okay. So if you want to like just for basic understanding, we are going to, because you need to connect with different team members, right? So if you are a Gemini developer, you need to communicate with the LLM operations also, because that is the team where whatever the model you had created, that can be deployed into the cloud. Then only the cloud, like people will access, right? Like cloud version. So anyone can access. Okay, so we are going to give the guidance, what are the life cycle, how the steps, okay, how the optimization can be working on, how the explain a complete explanation. Okay, we are going to give the complete explanation, not the hands-on experience. That is a separate course. However, you'll be having the generative AI developer course, that is also one one separate course. Okay. Any more questions, guys?
So do we need any prerequisites, ma'am?
So prerequisites in the sense you required some basic statistics knowledge, some probability knowledge, some mathematics knowledge like linear algebra, okay, some parabolic expressions and complex numbers, quadratic equations, okay, just a basic understanding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any more questions?
So just last question from my side. So we need to learn that neural network also. It's required.
Yes, neural
The
network is
book.
the part of deep learning, right? So we required that also. So while dealing with the deep learning, I'll explain you what is neural network, how it will be connected with one layer to another layer, what is hidden layer, what is single perceptron, what is backward propagation, what is forward propagation, how the like a feature engineering can be done automatically in the deep learning. Everything will be discussed. Yes, any more questions?
Yeah, got it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Just I wanted to know the duration of this course.
Yes, duration will be explained you by the Karthik itself. Okay, he will guide you about the fee structure, what is the batch timings, everything. Okay, everything you'll get the information from him. So if you're having any questions, let me know, or else we'll hand over to the Karthik itself.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay, Karthik, it's over to you.
Hi everyone, this is Karthik again. So I just take you another 2 to 3 minutes to give the complete info about the trainings and the schedule and about the like what are the things that you require like of completely about sorry about the fee and the job portals like whatever I said you the job assistance everything I'll explain you now. Just give me a moment. Yeah. So here in this training, we are going to cover the complete end-to-end real-time training, real-time projects, interview questions, resume building, everything will be covered, okay? At the end of the sessions, we are going to help you with the complete from the basic question like how to answer, tell me about yourself question. From here, we will start you and we'll take you like how to apply for the job opportunities, how to clear the interview, everything we are going to help you here. No need to worry about that. Okay. So at the end, like we are going to provide you the resumes from our end itself. No need to worry about that. Okay, and to apply for the jobs you no need to go for like multiple job portals. Okay, so here we have created a job portal from Ras Cloud Technologies. From Ras Cloud Technologies, like we have built a separate job portal from us. Okay, and this is the job portal. Okay, so still it is in developing stage, still we are deploying the jobs here. Okay, it will take some more time for us to deploy the complete jobs and to update the portal and keep on updating on daily basis. Okay, so it will take some time, but like before your batch ends the portal will be online and for sure like mostly within 10 days we are going to complete these things and we are going to update you in the groups as well. Okay, so you can just visit our portal. This is from Ras Cloud Technologies and these are the jobs posted in different platforms. Okay, these are the jobs posted in different platforms and few jobs are referrals from our end and few jobs are like the previous students like who passed out from Ras Cloud Technologies in the last 4.5 years. So those people, if they have any referrals, so those referrals are added here and many other job portals links are also available here. Okay, so if you want to like apply for the generative AI job roles, you can just go to here all topics related. This is a filter actually. You can see all these courses. These are courses that we are offering right now. Okay, you can select generative AI and right now we have posted only one here. Okay, so very soon like we'll be posting all the jobs here. Okay, as it is still in developing state, so I just like I'm just showing you. Okay, so this is a job posted by Deloitte. Okay, and experience required. See, this experience is nothing but no one is having a 7 years of experience on generative AI. Okay, no one is having a 3 years or 7 years of experience in the generative AI. This is a total experience. Okay, so the total experience, the total IT experience. Okay, so it is like 3 to 7 years, not the relevant experience because generative AI is recently it is into the market right now and it is the hottest technology right now in the market. So mostly the people might have like hardly like 1.5 hour relevant experience. not the total experience, relevant experience. Got it? Relevant experience is nothing but the people, they are working on generative AI project from last like 1 year or 1.5 years. That's it max. Here are the key responsibilities. Okay, so here are the required skills. This is a qualification and IT consider what is the role, industry type, department, everything we mentioned here clearly, and the education qualification as well. Any graduate or any postgraduate can apply for this job. To apply for this, you can just like drop your name, mail ID, mobile number, and your resume. So this is how we are going to help you for the jobs as well. No need to worry about that. Coming to the fees and everything. Okay, so this course duration is 2.5 months, weekly 5 days, Saturday and Sunday is holiday. Okay, and you can see the price here, 34,999 is the course price. Okay, there is no offers available today. So if someone want to join from this demo, from this like a first session, like whoever have joined the class, okay, so for you people only there is an opportunity to get a 10% discount. You can see here there is no discounts available. The complete course fee is 34,999 rupees. Okay, but you are going to get some discount today. Whoever attended today's introduction class, only for you people. So this will apply. Okay, whoever joined today, only for you people, this will apply for you. There is a 10% discount. Okay, you are going to get a 3,500 rupees as a discount, and your course price will be 31,500 rupees. Let me show you clearly. Total course price is 34,999 and offer price with 10% discount, 31,499. Okay, so this is the offer price for you if you want to enroll today. Someone want to enroll today, you can just like plan to pay your registration fee today, and remaining amount you can pay in installments as well. No need to worry about that. Okay, so you can get this 10% discount today and you can enroll for the program. So if you want to enroll, you can just contact us on this number. 810-529-6858. This is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. You can connect us on this number and you can go ahead and you can complete your registration as well. If you want to download the syllabus, you can click on download syllabus here and you can just submit your details and you can click on inquire now. You'll get the download button and you can download the syllabus copy as well. Got it? Still any questions from anyone regarding the fees, schedule, or regarding any job opportunities, any career guidance, anything? If you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can ask us.
Hello.
Hey, yes, Mani,
quick
please
question.
go ahead.
I
Yes.
missed. Sorry, I missed the thing. Like, what's the course duration of this one?
So this course duration is like 2.5 months. Okay, 2 months, 10 days we planned for. You can block for your 2.5 months and you can go ahead for the program.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, thank you.
So as per like see, the batch students are comfortable to go for the weekend classes as well. We can go ahead. Just give me a moment. Okay, so you can click on sign up with Google. Always when you log in, see, I can see like many enrolled people are also here. So don't log in using your email ID or password here. Okay, this is for only the staff people of RAS Cloud Technologies. Always use sign in with Google option only. Always use sign in with Google option only. Click on sign in with Google. If you have already logged in with your mail ID here, it will show you the list like whatever the mail IDs that you have logged in. 1 second. My bad, today network is not good. Just give me a moment. Okay, so these are the accounts that I have logged in here, and this is my enrolled like email ID. So whatever the registered mail ID you have given at the time of enrollment, So using that mail ID, you log in, okay? Using that mail ID, you log in. Once you log in, you can see in the enroll courses section, as I am the admin, I have all courses access. But you people only having this generative AI live training batch 2 only. Okay, live training batch 2 only. I'll show you the batch 1 first, then I'll show you the batch 2. Okay, this is our batch 1. So if I just click on this, okay, so this is what will be. You can see session 1 to 10. Click on start learning always. Click on start learning always, so that like you can check your progress as well. Okay, so here you can see how the sessions we have scheduled. Okay, you can just click on this. Just click on this. You can see each and every session video here. If you want to just click on this, you can just click on this. You can see the video right side. This is the video. This is the video. Below the video itself, you can find the material. You can just click on download here. It will take you to the materials page. Okay, morning and evening 2 sessions we have, right? So this is the morning session material. This is the morning session material. And this is the evening session material. Okay, so this is how we are going to provide you the materials access also. Material and recordings both. See, this is for 1 to 10. Okay, 11 to 20 and 21 to 30. Okay, you can see 2 hours 18-minute session also we have taken. That means there is a weekend session. Okay, 31 to 40, 41 to 45. Okay, so still these are not uploaded. So this is how we are going to upload each and every session, and we are going to provide you as a recording and material also. Got it? For the batch 2 people, I just want to tell you one more thing. For batch 2 people, whoever already enrolled, okay, so you have 2 things to do, okay? The first thing is you need to complete the Oracle SQL classes. The first thing is you need to complete the Oracle SQL classes. And one more thing is we have already uploaded few classes to you. We have already uploaded few classes to you. This is our Generative AI batch 2. So whoever paid already fee, you might have got this enrollment as well in your enrollment courses. Just click on this. Just click on this. Click on start learning. Click on start learning. Okay, so 1 to 10, the videos are uploaded. Even though it is showing 0 seconds here, just click on this. Just click on this. The video will be available for you. Okay, the video will be available for you. Okay, so this is how we are going to provide you the complete videos and materials course also. Got it? Still, if you have any questions, you can ask me here. If you have any questions, you can ask me here. I hope everyone is good with the complete information, right? I hope everyone is good with the complete information, right? And I'm saying you once again, the offer is only available today. So are we having the regular classes to start from tomorrow? See, the first thing is I need the status of each and every one. So how many of you already completed this Oracle class? Because so this Oracle is a bit important for us, okay? And we are going to start the Python as well, right? So before starting the Python, I just need everyone's status on this. That is the reason why we are just waiting for this. So after today's session, you're going to get a poll or you'll get a message personally to check the status as well. So once I got the status from everyone, we'll be going with regular classes. The first week you will be having alternative days. That is Monday, Wednesday and Friday you will be having classes. Okay. As today is Tuesday, the next session will be on Thursday. Okay. So like that I'll plan. But like once after getting the update from your end, whoever already enrolled, okay, even we don't take more people, okay, we will take you only 25 students per batch. Only 25 students per batch. Okay, so we are going to limit for only 25. So if the people come more than 25, then what we do is we'll start another batch. Okay, we'll move them to the another batch only. We don't have any other options. So try to complete your enrollment as early as possible. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. Amit, as I said you, Amit and Vikas, right? I hope like you both people are already enrolled. Vikram as well. Yes, Vikram, you also enrolled, right? Yes. So both sessions having same content. Yes, both morning and evening having the same content only. Okay. So whoever enrolled now, so right after this meeting, you're going to get the status actually. So I hope like you people already added to the community. You'll get a poll in the community. So if you have already completed the Oracle SQL classes, then I'll request the trainer to start the classes from tomorrow. So tomorrow is a Wednesday, right? So Wednesday and Friday will be having classes this week. Got it? Wednesday and Friday will have class this week. So still any questions? Morning and evening batches. Yes, sure, Suhas. Okay. So the morning batch timings are 9:30 a.m. IST, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. IST. And evening batch timings are 8:30 p.m. IST to 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay, if you want, you can take a screenshot or you can just like copy the chat as well. Yes, Vikram. See, there is no restriction for our students. Okay, there is no restriction for our students. If you want to join the morning batch, you can join morning. If you want to join evening batch, you can join evening. If you have time, you want to join both the batches. The morning class is a bit difficult for you. You want to join the evening class? Yes, you can join. Not a problem. Because I'll just confirm you. As I said, you right after this meeting, I'll post a poll in our community. So the paid people, we have added a community, right? In that community, I'll just like post a poll. So if you people have already completed these Oracle classes, then we'll start the classes from tomorrow. Tomorrow and Friday, we'll have 2 classes. This week, we are going to have another 2 classes.
Hey, Karthik. So
Yes,
morning and
please.
evening, you cover same class. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Both morning and evening, we have the same content.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So still any questions, please? See, if you don't have, yes, no, please go ahead.
Hello, what's up?
So, do you have any questions? I hope like if you don't have any questions, so just like drop me a message clear in the chat so that like we can wind up the meeting. Are you clear with the complete content, like whatever we have delivered till now? About the course curriculum, about the timings, and what we are going to teach in each and every session. Okay, so if you have clear information on this, can I get a word clear in the chat? I received only one. Can I expect few more? Okay, so if you have any questions, as I said, you can contact me directly on this number 8105296858. We will be available from morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. We will be available Monday to Sunday. Every day we are working. Monday to Sunday, someone will be there in the office for sure. So you can contact us at any time. Got it? Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you. Before ending the session, I just like want to say one more thing. So today's session recording we are going to upload in our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, and you can just search for Raz Informatica in your YouTube, and you can subscribe to the channel to get the session updates. I have just like shared the link as well. You can just click on the link and you can subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you all. Thank you all for joining session today.